Hi lovely people, how are you? I am doing very well and I'm excited because we have a new subscription on this channel. It is called NoMakeNoLife and this is from Japan. It actually comes from Japan. I believe it comes from Tokyo, Japan. Now I always ask in my videos, do you guys know any new subscriptions or is there any subscriptions out there that you would want me to unbox? And a few of you, especially one in particular, had told me about this NoMakeNoLife. And as soon as she told me about it, I went right onto the website. It seemed interesting, and I ordered it right away. Now, I did get this like the first couple of days of September, but if you guys are new to my channel, there has been some things in my personal life that's been going on that I am so behind in these that I have not even opened this box up. So, I am so excited to show you guys what it is. So let me read to you what it says. Oh, before I forget, this is a $29 a month subscription and you don't pay for shipping, which I love. And this is what it says on the website right here. I'm reading it. It says, "No make, no life" is a popular phrase used in Japan by people who believe that makeup is essential to their lives. We want to embrace this philosophy by delivering you high quality and unique Japanese cosmetics in a convenient monthly subscription box. We've got our in-house licensed beauty consultant selecting Japanese beauty products that will improve your daily beauty routine. I have this new lipstick on and I don't like it. It's like, look, sticky. Anyway, I digress. So that's what it is. I did cut the tape right here, but I don't know what's in here. So let's see. This is the September 2018 subscription. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. So it does come with a little pamphlet, and that's what it is right there. And right here it says "No Make, No Life." Okay, so let's see what this pamphlet says. Okay, so this, let's see. Okay, so it does say the September 2018. And then the pamphlet looks like it just shows everything that's on the box, in the box, and it does tell you about it, but it doesn't give prices. So I'm not sure about that. I'll try to look online and leave everything in my description box if I can find the prices. Okay, so I'm going to grab the first thing I see. This is, looks like an eyelash curler, like a travel eyelash curler. And that is the back, so everything is written in Japanese. And, oh, excuse me. I still have this little table because I moved my setup to my room. Got Nala right here. So the table's small. I have everything on my lap. Okay, so this is an eyelash curler by Kuma. And it says, another cute tool has made its way into the NMNL box this month. This eyelash curler is a limited time collaboration item with Kuma, a smaller sized eyelash curler that is perfectly portable. Okay, so, and it has a little bit more about it. So this is like a travel eyelash curler, which I really like. I've never tried them. I have seen them around, but I haven't tried them. Oh, I always wanted to try this. This is the Mermaid Brush right there. So let's open this puppy up and see what this is, what it looks like. I have seen these. A lot of indie brands, well, not a lot, but some indie brands have this. And Nala's right here sniffing it, thinking it's for her. And my dog, if you don't know, she just turned 2 years old, September 12th. She is a pit bull. And she has her own subscription box called Bully Make, and we do that together. So she probably thinks it's for her. So that's what it looks like. So it does come with a little lid. Let's see how I can open this. Okay. All right, so... oh, that's soft. This is like a foundation brush. So you put it on, and the idea is to do that. And let's see what it says. Okay, this is a mermaid brush. To help keep you and your beauty tools beautiful, we have included this mermaid brush in this month's box. This magical mermaid tail brush comes in either a rainbow or bronze color. I got the bronze. It also comes with a protective cap to make sure it stays pristine when you're not using it. Don't worry, as it does not use real animal hair. So this is really soft. I'm really excited to use this. Like I said, I have seen this around and I almost purchased it, so I'm glad that I didn't. Okay, the next thing is, looks like a mascara. And then there you go on the back. Everything again is in Japanese. So let's see if I can find that. Okay, so this is a Angelique U mascara. It says go with your Angelique U eyeliner. Oh, this is a, let's see what it is. Eyeliner from last month's box. Okay, so last month included an eyeliner. This month is a mascara from the same brand. We included an Angelique U mascara. This mascara features a unique S-shaped brush that allows you to reach your eye corners and inners easily to complete a perfect curled eye look. When you want to remove it, it can easily be removed with warm water. And this is the lady right there. All right, so let's open up the packaging. It's really pretty, I have to say. They do make really, really pretty packaging. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. It's this long and curl mascara. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it is. It's like a little S shape. I have never seen anything like that before. So let me look in my mirror. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay, so yeah, I see exactly what they're talking about. So it's small enough to get right in the corner. And then this part right here where it goes up, if you can see, that's what you would use for here. So I'm excited to try that as well. That is so cool, that S shape. Okay, we have two more things it looks like. So this right here is a honey oil pack. So we get all full-size items in this box, so that's great. There is the back, and this says Country and Stream Facial Oil Pack. Get shiny, healthy skin with this simple-to-use facial oil pack. This facial pack features a soothing honey scent and utilizes real honey. Well, that's great because honey is really good for you. 10 different beauty essences and other natural oils like argan oil and sunflower oils. It also features a sugar scrub that helps you make your skin shine. God, I can't wait to take this lipstick off. All right, so let's open this puppy up. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. And then on the back again, it's written in Japanese. So let's open it up. It does smell like honey. So it doesn't come with a safety seal, but I'm going to put a little bit on here and just see what it looks like. So it is definitely an oil. So that's good because I enjoy putting oils on my face at night, especially like under my eyes since I'm getting more finer lines under there or wrinkles. So it's just like an oil, but I don't know if I smell the honey. Kind of, but I'm excited to try that, especially that it has real honey in it. Okay, what do we have? Last but not least, this is a rice mask pack, and you get 10 sheets inside. So here we go, and on the back, it's right there. And this says our NMNL, so no makeup, no light, family loves their face mask. So this month we have included not one, not two, but a pack of 10 uniquely Japanese beauty masks. These masks are 100% Japan-grown rice oils to support one's skin by soothing out rough skin, keep it moisturized, and help it stay balanced. And I know rice is really good. It helps mattify your skin. So if you have, like, I have combination skin. So in my T-zone, gets very oily. So this is really exciting to try, and you get 10. So I'm excited. Like I said, I'll try to find the prices online and leave them down below. It is a $29 a month subscription. So I don't know the value, you know, if it's worth it or not. I think it's great. It comes from Japan. It got here rather quickly. And so we got the 10 face masks, and you get everything full size. We got the Mermaid foundation brush. We got the oil honey pack, which I'm excited to try that. We got this really nice mascara that has that S shape. So I'm excited to try that. And we got this eyelash curler. And is that it? I think that's it. So let me know what you think. Since I am 42, I'm really into skincare. So I love it. And you know what? I'm looking at this too. For about 2 weeks now, I've been trying this 24 karat gold glow mask. And this is what it looks like. Okay, when you open it up, you can see I have used quite a bit of it, and I love it, first of all, for the aesthetic part, because it looks like you have gold all over your face. But I did get this from Octedly, and I'm kind of like, I get leery with these kind of masks, and it says it's supposed to lift, firm, and glow. I don't know if it does all that. I think it's more for like, you know, it looks like it's gold. I have used it for 2 weeks, so like twice a week, so 4 times. But it does make my skin look really soft. So if you guys heard of this brand, the Kazoo Beauty, let me know in the comments below. I've never heard of this brand, and I just want to know what you think of it. But anyway, I told you I digress. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth it, that it's $29? I like the fact that they don't charge shipping, where I live in the US and some subscription boxes want to charge you shipping, and it's right here in America, when I know there is the one from the UK. Look fantastic. They don't charge for shipping. I believe that's what, $19 or $22 a month. This is $29. They don't charge for shipping. So let me know what you think of this box. If you want me to keep unboxing this on my channel, let me know. And I always leave videos right here in case you want to see more of me. And please like this video. It really does help me out. And leave a comment down below. All right, and don't forget, I do have a giveaway still going on. It's an Ipsy giveaway. I'll also leave that video down below as well. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.